Given the data set, find the 5-number summary and create a box plot. So the first thing we're asked to do is find our 5-number summary. And that is going to come from our minimum value, our lower quartile, our median value, our upper quartile, and last but not least, our maximum value. Those are our 5-number summary. We're going to start off from easy to harder. The easiest thing to find is your minimum and your maximum. Your minimum is your smallest number when listed from least to greatest. Your maximum is your biggest number when listed from least to greatest. The next thing we need to find is our median. I like to find it by canceling numbers on both sides until I meet in the middle. So then I have two numbers that are in the middle, 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, our median is 3. You also could have figured that out because they're the same number. They, of course, average to the same number. The next thing that we're going to take a look at are our quartiles. Our lower quartile comes from our lower data set. So I go ahead and start with the 3 over to here, and then I'm going to cross it the opposite way until I can find my way to the middle. I have two numbers in the middle. I add them together. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So we get 1.5. Over here, I'm going to do the same thing for my upper quartile, but instead of looking at the bottom half of the data, I'm going to look at the top half. So I have 3 to 6 is my upper part of the data. So I'm going to cancel the opposite direction until I meet in the middle. I have two numbers in the middle, so I do 4 plus 5, which is 9, divided by 2, since there were two numbers, and that gives me 4.5. That is my 5-number summary. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my number line to make my box plot. So I know that I need to start at 1 and go up to 6. So I'm actually going to start at 0. I always like to give myself a little bit of extra. And I'll go ahead and go up to 7. Now the first ones I want to make dots for are going to be my minimum and my maximum value. So my minimum, I'm going to go ahead and put a dot at 1. My maximum, I'm going to go ahead and put a dot at 6. For the other 3 values in your 5-number summary, you need to use a line. Our median is at 3, so I'm going to draw a vertical line at 3. Remember, these are what make up our box. My lower quartile is 1.5, so I'm going to go to 1, and I'm going to go halfway and draw a line at 1.5. My upper quartile is 4.5, so I'm going to go to 4, go halfway, and draw a line at 4.5. My last step is to connect my box, my whiskers, although we don't call them that anymore, and there is your perfect box plot from your 5-number summary. Great job!